Hello everyone, I am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome. Today we have the Servo. This is Unimog part 10. We have the Servo. This comes from the record have you seen in my previous video. Now we have to check if it works. Find the 0 point, mount on the chassis, connect to the wheels, then mount the ESC and receiver support, then mount the ESC and receiver, then check how the motor works, then with electronics, there's also this one that is the battery stopper, and we mount with a clip, and the one would like to secure the clip to the frame with an elastic strap, as you have seen in some of my other videos. And comments, like and subscribe. Please subscribe, it's free. It makes me happy. You want me happy? Please subscribe and thumb up if you like, or thumb down. So turn down the camera and start working. Low battery. Done. The work is done. All the wires are placed as I can do best. Here there's a strap. This is for lights. This I can't lose it when I use. This we have to see this part, if it doesn't go into the body, because the body rises about here, we can smash it a little bit inside, go further. This I have made with this stick, this size. So if you want this kind of spring, you have to do this. Is 2-3 millimeters about. Then the servo is on. I can't test it because I'm suspecting that these not so old but 4 years old batteries are not in good condition, because it is the second one that doesn't charge fully. These are nickel metal hydride. So I have to go. I haven't here a good charger. I have to charge carefully and see what happens. But I'm confident that everything is all right. So by now the electronics is made. We can see how does it fit. Before rear, then front. The body's on. This is wonderful for me. Oops. Okay. Perhaps a little bit softer suspension could be better. I have made also this one. This is the opening of the rear window. Now we have to do interiors. Here I have the pilot, sorry, and the steering wheel that we have to deeply modify, and the pilot that has to be mounted, painted and modified too, because I want an Alpenjäger pilot, and so this is a new adventure. We begin, but I don't think that in this video we can do everything. Here we are. Everything is working. I show you. Switch the radio, switch the car, and bye-bye. Here it is. Wiring for the LED. This light, the external side lamp, will be connected to the dashboard lights. I will make dashboard lights. Then all together to this plant, this switch here. I find the position. Back. And by now this is all the electronics. The servo, this is quite a comedy thing with the servo. You remember I have returned back 8 servos. Then I have decided to take the servo from the Red Cat Gen 8. I had, where is it? Is this not this one? Here it is. This is the Red Cat servo, but it doesn't work on this radio, because when I connect the servo, this radio tells me that there's no power enough into the receiver. I don't understand why. I disconnect this, everything is okay. So I have ordered 2 other cheap servos. This time they work. They say they are 20 kg power. I don't believe it. They are quite strong. I tried to stop the wheels. They are quite strong. So I have mounted one of these 2 here, connected. Everything is perfect. I have geared up the radio with lower backward power, with exponential accelerator and steering mode. Everything is perfect. I think we are ready to jump into the interiors. And for this I have the pilot. We will start the next video with the pilot. By now, comments, like and subscribe. If you know something about the reason of this malfunction, on the Red Cat works very well. I don't understand, really I don't understand what's the matter with the servos. I was saying comments, like and subscribe. thank you very much to all you, and bye bye from me.